Everyone wants to sell on Amazon, and it's actually pretty easy to start selling on there. The real challenge is finding what to sell on this super lucrative platform. If you're stuck trying to figure out what to sell on Amazon, this video is going to solve just that for you. Because today, I'm going to be giving you 11 of the most profitable Amazon niches, and I'm going to be giving you 5 winning products from each one that you can list right now. That's a total of 55 products. All right, ready? Let's go ahead and get started. All right, first up at number 1, we have the skincare and self-care niche. This niche is pretty much straight up fire year round. People don't just buy once. They essentially buy full routines, so they're always coming back. Now, a few winning products for this are going to include skincare headbands, acne pimple patches, green tea masks, jade rollers and gua sha sets. I always get stuck pronouncing that one. And collagen lip masks. Bundle them into kits and watch your average orders just start to skyrocket. People buy these, again, in bundles. All right, number 2, my favorite and probably one of the most easiest to market niches, pet supplies. Pet owners will spend anything to keep their fur babies happy. Emotional purchases equals pretty easy sales. Now, for this niche, some of the best sellers are going to be pet hair removers. These are huge. Also, donut pet beds, cat window hammocks, dog travel water bottles. And this is actually pretty good because it targets 2 niches, biodegradable poop bags. Some of these products, except for the poop bags, are super giftable. I'm pretty sure most of us know somebody that's a dog mom or a cat dad or whatever. All right, number 3, gaming setups and accessories. Gamers are always upgrading, and aesthetic is everything in this niche, especially for streamers. Now for this, some hot sellers are going to be RGB gaming keyboards, LED mouse pads, wireless gaming mice, gaming headsets, also gaming headset holders, and soundproof foam wall panels. These are pretty easy to market because all you really have to do is just take some pretty aesthetic product photos, and these are pretty much going to be selling themselves. Now, up next on number 4, we have home decor. People love making their homes aesthetic, and this niche never dies. The top picks for this are going to include essential oil diffusers, wall art print sets, floor lamps, key holders for the wall, decorative pillow covers. You can even start using mockups or AI to create your own print designs. They do it all the time. It's pretty easy, and you can create some of these even using print on demand. Now, before we continue, if you want an entire list with all of these different products and niches that I'm talking about in today's video in an easy to reference cheat sheet, make sure you go ahead and comment down below your favorite niche and let me know which one of these you plan on start to sell. Once I see that you went ahead and did that, I'll reply back with a link to the sheet. Now, up next on number 5, also another hugely lucrative and popular niche, the baby products niche. New parents shop hard, and baby gear is always on demand because babies are always being born. So some go-to products are going to include teething toys, baby plush bathrobes, diaper bags, backpacks, silicone chew spoon sets, and baby play floor mats. These are actually very important. Pro tip, only list high quality stuff. Here in this niche, safety trumps all. All right, now at number 6, we have kitchen supplies. People are obsessed with organization and TikTok-worthy kitchens. Like, they go super viral. And for this, some bestsellers are going to include cutting board sets, silicone cooking utensils, under sink organizers, measuring cup and spoon sets, knife sets with wooden blocks, and knife sharpeners. These are great for bundling and for upsells too. Number 7 is pretty good year-round, except during the summer and the end of the year, it really spikes. And that's fitness. This niche is growing every single year. People are working out at home, at the gym, outside, the park, literally everywhere and anywhere that they can. Now, some winning products for this are going to include resistance workout bands, crossback sports bras, shaker bottles, electric ones do even better, running belts, weightlifting gloves, and you can also cross-sell these into supplements or different types of gear later on. All right, number 8. Cell phone accessories. Every single year, there's a brand new phone, whether it be an iPhone, an Android phone, a Huawei, whatever it's pronounced phone, Huawei, I think it is. I've always wanted one of those. There's always a brand new phone every single year. So naturally, people always upgrade and always want the newest model, which means they always are going to need a new case. Realistically speaking, what screams out safety more than protecting your $2,000 investment phone with a $5 Chinese case? And there's a reason I say this, because a lot of people will put up a very basic case and say that it protects everything, don't do that. If you're looking to actually protect somebody's phone rather than just scratch proof it, like actually protect them from falls, then offer some shock proof phone cases. Because again, your customers are investing money into their products and they're hoping that your product is going to keep it safe. So speaking of cell phone accessories, we have cell phone cases, of course, but we also have phone tripods and selfie sticks. We have phone lanyards. We have desk phone stands, magnetic ring holders. These are brand new and are just flying off the shelves. Car vent mounts. So when it comes to these, make sure that you offer at least 3 to 4 generations back, because not everyone is always upgrading their phone, but a lot of people do upgrade their cases from time to time, even with the same one. All right, number 9, office supplies. This isn't flashy by any means, but this niche is quite killer because there's a lot of repeat buyers and in bulk. So some of the top sellers in this are going to be sticky notes, then desk file organizers, copy printer paper. These are huge. Copy printer paper sells like crazy in this niche. Paperclip sets, cord organizers, office, home, school, everyone, literally everybody you can think of is going to need this. Number 10, jewelry and watches. These are high perceived value, which equal great margins. And people buy this stuff year round. It's the perfect gift to give or receive. And some of the best sellers in these are going to include smart waterproof watches, hoop earring sets, adjustable sterling silver rings, travel jewelry organizers, 36 pair gold earrings. Now, I know this is a little bit specific, but hear me out. People like to buy these earrings in bulk and they like to buy them in sets so they have variations to choose from. Trust me, when I go to the mall or to the store and my wife wants earrings, she doesn't typically look for the ones that just bring one pair. She looks for the ones that bring multiple pairs. Now, as far as your advertising, just make sure that your photos look premium. Number 11, sports and outdoors. Whether it's hiking, camping, or beach trips, this niche is always hot. And some great products to list are going to include waterproof lighters, reusable travel utensil sets, microfiber travel towels, camping cutting boards, or even water shoes. Now, this niche is perfect for storytelling. So show the lifestyle, not just the product or not just the item. And there you have it. 11 proven Amazon niches and 55 winning products to dropship in 2025. If you want to skip the manual grind, make sure that you use autoDS because it can help you import all of these products in just a few minutes. Imagine being able to import 55 products in less than 10 minutes and even automate all of your orders, all in just a few clicks. Start for just $1. The link is in the description. Make sure you smash that like button, drop your favorite niche in the comments. And with that, my name is Mario with autoDS, and I'll catch y'all next time.